Hello everyone, I'm Michelle. Welcome to another video. Today I want to show you the jewelry that I made from the April Wildflower collection from Eureka Crystal Beads. And the first thing I made here is this 5-strand multi-strand necklace. I'm just going to show you a little bit what it looked like on a bust here in the video. I used the slide clasp that we got, along with the wire guardians, and then the 8/0 seed beads, and then I went down with the 11/0 seed beads that we got in the collection. And let me take it off the bust. I did add the orange seed beads from my own stash, just to, brighten it up just a bit more. Alright. As you can see, I went down using the seed beads, 11/0s, and then I went and I used the 2x3mm crystal rondelles, give that little sparkle, pop-up sparkle. And then I used some of the flowers from the collection. And to go with that necklace, I made these tassel earrings, which I just adore. I really do like these. I think they're super cute. Look at those. Look how bright and fun they look. I also added the orange in these, of course, with that beautiful bead cap, and my own ear wires, and there I used the eye pins that we got in the subscription. Made these a little longer, the longer tassels. They look great in the ear, and they go so well with the necklace. Alright, and let's look at the next set I made, or suite of jewelry. Look at this. Look at all those stones we got in the collection. It was a happy surprise to see all those octagon stones, because I think they're my favorite shape, and they're beautiful. They've got that inner glow, that pastel palette. I just really love the stones, and I bezeled them in the 11/0 seed beads from the box, as well as the 15/0s on the face. And then I used the 2x3mm rondelles here to embellish, and I used the larger check gemstone rondelles to connect. I used 11/0s and the 2x3 rondelles for the part of the closure, the peyote closure, and the bamboo button from Tier Cast. And it closes like that. I mean, it's just so, it's almost like a fairy tale. So I think I'm going to call it the fairy tale bracelet. I'm trying to put it on here. That's what it looks like on, around the wrist. It's really extra. And I also made these tassel earrings to go with the bracelet. You know, it's more a pastel palette. I'm making them situated here. You know, they kind of get warped in the baggie, but let's go over. I used the eye pin we got from the box, the bead caps, the textured ones, the flower we got in the box is beautiful. I just loved these bead caps. They look like a tulip to me. Really pretty, and it goes with the flowery theme. They always do such a great job at choosing findings and beads for their collections. You know, I almost cannot pass up their collections. That's how good they usually are. And I use the little 2x3 millimeter rondelles for the fringe and the tassel. And it's a pretty pastel-y palette to go with that pastel look we have in our stones and our bracelet. And then the reason I kept the bracelet on is because I made a ring to match. Let me put it on here. And that's made with the same things that I made the bracelet with. Here, I made the bracelet with. Including those gemstone rondelles, 11Os, and the 2x3 millimeter rondelles, and that beautiful octagon stone. Oh, my cat's in here on my desk. Alright, so let me take the bracelet off so we can get a good look at this suite of jewelry together. My cat's casting a shadow. Get back! It's just slapped at me. Okay, so there's the ring. And here's the cute, and the earrings I just love. Both sets of earrings. And there's the earrings to go with it. Alright, everyone. I'll leave a link below to the Eureka Crystal Bead collections. They run out of them quite quickly, but you know, they have restocked. So if you want this collection, just keep your eye out. If it's not in, they may restock it. But there is other collections from the past that you can choose from. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next one. God bless.